It's time to do our eyeliner and our eyebrows. And this little pot of magic is what we're going to use. This is our pencil in a pot, and it's full of creamy Australian waxes that will hold all the hair in place for your eyebrows and glides really gently across our eyelids as our eyeliner. It also comes with a double-ended brush, and the way we use the brush on this product is we run it, rather than through the product, we run the brush from side to side so that it coats the bristles with the waxes, which keep it nice and tight, allowing you to achieve nice fine line work. We begin by brushing the hair in our eyebrows up. Then with the product on the brush, I like to start at the point up here. It's going to allow you to draw your eyebrows. As we wisdomize, we tend to lose the hair from down here. So we really want to draw that back in, because if we can get the angle of our eyebrows right and extend them, they will frame our face and frame our eyes. Rule of thumb is you should be able to draw a line from the corner of your nose to the corner of your eye and out, and that's where your brow should finish. So coming up there, it's about right. With what's left on the brush so far, I'm going to colour those other hairs in so it's all even. And I'm going to draw a line under the brow line to give it a nice clean edge. Just like that. Adding some more product to the brush. I'm now going to turn the angle around so it's flat. And I'm going to press just here to get the corner right. Then I must finish off with the wand to blend it all out so it doesn't look like I've drawn my eyebrows on. Brows are done. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I gently pull the skin of my eye over, making it taut so that I can glide the product on beautifully. I'm running it through the lash line so that my eyelashes look thicker. I like to have eyeliner on the bottom of my eyes as well.